Jai Hind everyone. I, Junior Under Officer Swarna, welcome you all to another episode of You Are Limitless, You Are Limitless. On today's special episode, we have with us an esteemed officer of Indian Police Service, Shri Sandeep Shandilya, the Director of Telangana Anti-Narcotics Bureau, with a distinguished career spanning over 3 decades. Shri Sandeep Shandilya has served in various capacities including Hyderabad Police Commissioner, Additional DG Railways and Road Safety, DG Prisons and Director of Telangana State Police Academy. He has been honoured with the prestigious awards such as Indian Police Medal for Meritorious Service in 2002, Antarik Suraksha Seva Medal 2004, President Police Medal for Distinguished Service in 2018 and Police Medal for Gallantry. The International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking or World Drug Day is marked on 26th of June every year to strengthen action and cooperation in achieving a world free of drug abuse. The theme of this year World Drug Day is "The Evidence is Clear, Invest in Prevention." Welcome to the You Are Limitless, sir. We are really honored to have you here today. Thank you for being the part of anti-drug awareness campaign with NCC Directorate Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. I welcome you, sir.
Thank you.
Sir, as you were an NCC cadet, what is that memory you cherish the most of your NCC days?
So 9th and 10th, I was in Balbati FO school. That is the year 1979, 1980. So maybe long years back. So I was in Balbati FO school. There, the best part about NCC was that we used to go in for .22 rifle firing, and they used to give us a sandwich, 1 banana and maybe 2 boiled eggs. So among friends, it was a great outing. So we used to go to a place where there was a lot of Kikar jungle. So we really enjoyed our days in NCC those times.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Thank you for sharing your experience. So nowadays, the drug abuse is scaling, especially among the youth. What in your opinion is the root cause for this?
You know, if you would like to ask me what is the effect of a drug, okay. Suppose now I run maybe 1 kilometer or 3 kilometers, or I play a game of basketball, or I go out with friends and maybe have a good food. That same amount of neurotransmitters are produced in our brain, okay. Those neurotransmitters, they will give us a kick and we enjoy that activity. So drugs is, what happens is, you don't need to do all these things. You just sit on a chair and you take the drugs. That same amount of happiness or stimulus or relaxation, that kind of activity will give. But the problem with taking this drug is you become a slave to that drug. Okay. So now suppose I want to run. So then there will be a sense of achievement in my body, in my brain, in my entire personality, that I have done some good exercise. I have, I think you have that you are limitless, no. So I have been testing my limits. So if that kind of satisfaction comes, then you really cherish doing that activity. But with drugs, that is not so. You become a slave of that drug, so you start craving for the drug. And drugs, what the problem is that it increases your dependence. So आप drug लेंगे तो आप उसके ऊपर dependent हो जाएगा. So like now, suppose I want to run. Now today I don't want to run. I'll say okay, I'll not run today. Maybe tomorrow I'll run. But it doesn't happen with drugs. Suppose you say that okay, I will run 6 days or 5 days in a week. With drugs, the dependence is so much that it will not stop at 6 days. All the 7 days, all 24/7, you have to take drugs. So that is what create problem. Then other problem is that it creates, the drugs are such that it will create a tolerance in you. Tolerance means what? Suppose now you are running 5 kilometers or 10 kilometers or a half marathon, or you play 1 game of basketball and stop at that. But with drugs, it will not stop at that. Now you are taking, so you are smoking 2 cigarettes or you are smoking 3 cigarettes. Then with the same, for the same amount of kick, you will need to double that dose. Maybe you start taking 5 cigarettes, 6 cigarettes, 10 cigarettes, or a bottle of liquor, or maybe 2 pegs. So it keeps on increasing. That is the second most worst thing about drugs. It makes you slave, increases dependence, increases tolerance, and makes you an addict. Addict means you will not be able to do anything if you don't have it. Now what happens if I take drugs, let's say for over a period of 1 year? So what happens is, after 1 year means small things in life. Okay, we have grown up with enjoying the small things in life, like going out for movies with friends, playing a good game of basketball, playing a good game of cricket, or maybe running, having fun and frolic in the college canteen where we have a samosa and a chai. So if you do drugs, means that samosa and chai, going out with your girlfriend or dating, these kind of things will stop giving you any pleasure. So that is one sad part of the drug, and worst part is that you become a slave, that you will need to have it no matter what. Even if your father is in the hospital and you don't have the drug, you will have no sympathy for your father who's in the hospital, but you will only start looking for drugs. So this is one thing that through your NCC, this thing, I would like to spread this message is, please stay away from drugs. 3-4 times if you take drugs, then you become hooked. आप देखते हैं ना कि आप मछली है ना, मछली, उसको आप कुछ वर्म लगा के कांटा फेंकते, you throw a hook in the water. That fish catches that hook and it gets stuck in the mouth and the fish gets stuck. Drugs are like that. You get hooked onto them. फिर आप कितना भी आप छटपटा के वापस आने की कोशिश करेगा ना, आपको वो वापस नहीं आने देगा. सो प्लीज अवॉइड. एंड आपको जो भी मालूम पड़ता है कि आपका कॉलेज में, आपके इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज में, ये भी कॉलेज में, यू प्लीज लेट इन्फॉर्म द पुलिस. यू आर लिमिटलेस. सो आपको जैसे लिमिटलेसनेस, द ह्यूमन soul is made like this. You see Mahatma Gandhi, limitless means all the world, all the countries, all the people whom he could influence, he has been able to do it. Same way, that same spirit is in each one of us, including me, including Swarna, including Deepa and the cadets who had come to me. हम इतना पावरफुल है, the amount of power each individual has in his soul or in his heart, वो कर्मठ बने तो कैसे नहीं चेंज कर देंगे. सपोज नाउ यू आर मे बी 7,000, 8,000 in AP and Telangana. Why we should not? We should be able to change the society. Why we should not? I am more than 60 years old and I work for more than 16 years, 16 hours in a day. तो आप बहुत काम करते हैं. Even I will stand up for 3.5 hours in one go and take a class. So in 7 days we have taught almost 14,000 people. So sky is the limit. You are limitless. That's what I really like, that tagline of UNCC. This thing, Yuva means you have the energy of youth. And कहीं रुकना क्या है? कहीं nobody can stop you. You are limitless. Yes. And I'm really happy I'm doing this interview with you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. As you said, we become a slave. We surrender ourselves to the drugs once you are addicted to it. So with your experience, can you tell us what are the common drug abused and what are the risks associated with it?
Okay, I'll tell you something about the drugs. Okay. अब जैसा हम है ना, we join lower KG and then upper KG, nursery, first, second, third, like that we graduate onto bigger classes, bigger knowledge, or that courses. It's like this. So same way, same thing is happening about drugs. So you slowly start graduating. Okay. So I told you, if you take drugs, means there is a neurotransmitter, this is the chemical dopamine that is produced in your brain. तो अब आप क्या है कि आप ड्रग्स लेना शुरू करेंगे तो you start graduating onto bigger drugs. So आप पहले first what you will do is you will start with smoking, okay? Then maybe you start with alcohol. Then maybe you start with ganja. Then you graduate onto bigger drugs. So once you start graduating onto bigger drugs means you should a person who is really in control of himself. He will always ask a question to himself कि where am I heading? आप कहाँ जा रहे हैं? So you are becoming a slave of a cigarette, then of drinks, then of maybe some medicines and all you get, or maybe you are getting into too much of phones or these games on the cell phone. So games on the cell phone also produce dopamine chemical, same chemical which cocaine would produce or MDMA would produce. It's the same chemical dopamine that is produced in the brain. अब उसमें क्या होता है, आप ये बात एक बार ध्यान से समझिए. Our brain is a very very pure organ. Like you have slopes of mountains where it has snowed, there are no footprints, pure white snow. Our brain is like that. If you take drugs, that dopamine that is produced in the brain feels very uneasy. So it will start killing the receptors. आप बोलते हैं ना कि गांजा से कुछ नहीं होगा. Every smoke of ganja will lead to the brain itself killing some of the receptors. And the receptors start dying. Once the receptors start dying, आपको वो चाय समोसा, आपको वो पिक्चर देखना, आपको वो गेम खेलना, आपको यारों दोस्तों के साथ हंसना, वो सब चीज़ आपको खुश करना बंद कर देगी. That is the worst part of a drug. You will become a zombie, you will become a vegetable. जब तक आपको वो ड्रग नहीं मिलेगा तब तक आपके दिमाग में खूब सारी डोपामिन प्रोड्यूस नहीं होगी. अब रिसेप्टर्स कम हो ही जाएंगे. द मोमेंट मोर इज द ड्यूरेशन यू टेक ड्रग्स, द रिसेप्टर्स स्टार्ट डाइंग, रिसेप्टर्स विल बी लेस एंड किक ही नहीं मिलेगा. यू विल नॉट गेट किक. यू विल बी लाइक अ वेजिटेबल. कोई आ रहा है, दोस्त जा रहा है, लोग पिक्चर देखने जा रहे हैं, शादी पे जा रहे हैं तुम्हारे फैमिली में, नथिंग विल सीम टू इंटरेस्ट यू. आप वैसे ही चुप करके यू विल बी ओनली व्हेन द ड्रग यू गेट you will be happy for that half an hour. After that again you will fall down. अभी आप राजा हो, you are the king. You are something limitless. आप limitless बोल रहे हैं ना, you are limitless. कि आपका कोई लिमिट नहीं है. You can conquer Mount Everest. You can conquer anything. You can conquer the hearts of people. You know, so many of your seniors and this thing, he's got Paramveer Chakra, Veer Chakra, single these kind of people, the limitless courage, anything is limitless. Limitless love, love for the country, limitless courage. इतना चीज अगर limitless है, and what poor this thing is that you become that person who is supposed to be limitless. जो limitless है उसका, what is his potential is limitless. There are people with amputated both legs. At the age of 75 years, they have climbed Mount Everest twice without oxygen. वो है एक आदमी का limit. And where do you land up? You land up being slave to one cigarette of ganja. Can there be something which is more sad than this? अरे लोग 41 किलोमीटर के मैराथन भागते हैं. You know, see that limit? They are setting limits of human कितना उसका grit का, and you end up being slave to गांजा, MDMA, cocaine. इससे ज़्यादा it's बदकिस्मती बोलते हैं ना. It's the misfortune of that family, misfortune of that youth, misfortune of that society, misfortune of that state, and misfortune of the country. जो आदमी अपने मुल्क के लिए अपनी आदमी वो जो अपने मुल्क के लिए ही विल बी एबल टू डू समथिंग गुड फॉर इंडिया, वो इंडिया के लिए कुछ भी नहीं कर पा रहा, उल्टा इंडिया को उसके लिए सोचना पड़ रहा है. When you can contribute to your family, you can contribute to your society, you can contribute to your state, you can contribute to your country. आप वो कंट्रीब्यूशन तो दे नहीं रहा, उल्टा स्टेट और गवर्नमेंट को आपका केयर करने के लिए बाधित कर रहा है. तो दिस इज समथिंग रॉन्ग, गलत बात है कि हमको जो भी हमारे को सरकार ने, माँ बाप ने, सोसाइटी ने, स्टेट ने, यूनियन गवर्नमेंट ने, सब जो भी हमारे को सहूलियत दिए और उसके बाद हम उसका फ़ायदा नहीं उठा के नुकसान कर रहा है अपने देश का. सो दिस इज समथिंग रियली इट इज़ नॉट गुड. सो यू शुड हैव दैट करेज टू से नो. आपको बोलते हैं सिगरेट पियो है, नहीं पीते भैया हम, वी डोंट डू दिस रॉन्ग थिंग्स. तो बोलो छोड़ो वहाँ मैं पीऊँगा, तुम मेरे साथ 10 किलोमीटर भागो, पहले भागो, सभी भगाओ. If he tells you to do something wrong, something bad, okay, you tell him, okay, चलो ठीक है मैं पीऊँगा, चलो मेरे साथ हाफ मैराथन भागो, भागो. If he puts he puts a proposal in front of you, you also put a proposal. नहीं भाई आप करेंगे, आप मेरे साथ भाग के दिखाओ, ठीक है. So please say no. अब no कहना आना चाहिए, काहे को नहीं भाई. If somebody tells you to do something wrong, you should say no sir, I don't do this, I don't do this thing. I don't want to become slave of drug.
So what are the specific corrective measures implemented by your department to help the youth, and how are they integrated in the mainstream society?
Okay, what happens is we have around 1800 cases of drug selling or drugs possession. So 1800 में से you have 3 kinds of cases. Okay, if you are a consumer, so you are found with small quantity of drug. Okay, if you are a peddler, then you will be found with intermediate quantity of drug. If you are a big kingpin, maybe you will be found with commercial quantity of drugs. So the commercial quantity of drug cases is we are not able to have good convictions on the people who are the big kingpins. So we are definitely making an effort so that the big kingpins, at least those cases, maybe 500 out of that 1800 in Telangana, they should end in conviction. If they end in conviction, means the big 500 people who are the Gabbar Singh of this entire drug trade. So these people, we can keep them inside for more than 10 years. So that is our real focus, is that we have to increase our percentage of convictions. Okay. Second thing is, suppose I am a kingpin, I am dealing with big drugs. So maybe around 100 kgs of ganja, or maybe 200-300 grams of cocaine, like that, big drugs. If I am able to convict you, then what happens is the law gives us power to attach the properties of these 500 people. So we have not been able to do it. Suppose we want to hit them real hard, means we should be able to attach the properties of these people. So once that properties are attached, means he will not be able to do that. Then people will see that doing this kind of a trade is not good. So the police is going to put you in jail, and you are going to remain there for 10 years, and also whatever the ill-gotten gains, जो भी आपने चोरी से ये गलत काम करके जो पैसा आपने कमाया है, वो पैसा भी आपके काम नहीं आएगा. It will be of no use to you. So this is one good this thing. And suppose we can also preventively detain them under PIT NDPS Act. So this is another one area which we are trying to tighten up, and see that convictions, attachment of properties, and preventive detentions in cases, so that we have those. So maybe we will be able to really control. Other this thing is कि awareness, okay, कि हम बच्चा है तो तुम peer pressure is there. Your people, somebody in your class is smoking a cigarette, so he'll say अरे आप भी एक खींचो. so you'll also maybe pull in a puff or two. तो फिर धीरे धीरे this peer pressure is no, that कि अरे ये in thing है, it's a cool thing. It's not a cool thing. क्या भैया, हम 3 किलोमीटर भाग के that same amount of dopamine I cannot produce in my brain. I need to have a ganja cigarette for that, and whom ultimately I am going to become a slave of one ganja cigarette. इससे बड़ी बदकिस्मती क्या हो सकती है, आप बताएं मेरे को.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Even I came across a girl recently. So she was in a college. She was new to college. So to fit in a group, she started drugs because just to look cool. So even people are starting drugs for such silly reasons. Yeah, that is what is the
So
problem with the
I'll tell
society.
you why. While I'm sorry that I intervened. So there was a girl. I was CP of a place. So she came along with her mother. Okay, कि ऐसे कि sir, I have been topper of this particular college in engineering, and 6 semesters I have topped my college and my class. So, and after 4th year I have stopped studying. I stopped going to the college. So I was thinking कि then I want the degree from that college that I have done my 6 semesters and I have been a topper in this 3 years, 6 semesters. And but the college is asking me fee for the 4th year, that is 7th and 8th semester. I said, why you didn't study there? You didn't use their whatever facilities are there. They should give you the degree. So then I told my inspector. So then he was able to get the degree for her, since she has paid this 3 years fees and 6 semesters fee. So then once that degree came, then I called the mother and this daughter. So then I told her कि मैडम ये आपका बच्चे आपका डिग्री है. But then one thing was troubling me कि आप इतना टॉपर था, why did you leave studies and get into this? Then mother told कि ये एक बर्थडे पार्टी में they went to a pub in this tri-commissionerate area. So there she was introduced to MDMA, ecstasy tablet, that is what they call. And उसके बाद क्या हुआ, she got hooked on to this MDMA. फिर क्या हुआ कि अपने माँ बाप का जो भी घर में पैसा है ना, वो चोरी करके then she started buying MDMA. Each dose would cost somewhere around maybe 700-800 rupees those days. So this is, I'm talking about 2015. तो 2 दिन क्या, देन अपने माँ बाप का सब कुछ सोना वोना पैसा वैसा चोरी कर लिया. देन द पेरेंट्स ऑल्सो विल कम टू नो दैट यही बच्चा चोरी कर रहा है घर में पैसे. सो देन शी डिडंट हैव मनी, एंड आई एम नॉट टेलिंग लाइज, मैं आपको सच बता रहा हूँ. शी हैड टू सेल हर बॉडी to get that drugs. Once that money whatever was there in the house, that got finished, and after some time then she realized that what she is doing is not right, and she wanted to mend herself, and she really didn't want to go back into studies. Maybe 2-3 years she has of her life she spoiled, and hats off to the grit of that girl. फिर वो उसने पढ़ाई छोड़ दिया, अपना जितना भी डिग्री लिया. देन शी वेंट इनटू टेकिंग ट्यूशन्स. वो ट्यूशन्स लेके नाउ शी इज हैप्पी गर्ल, एंड आई ऑफ कोर्स डिडंट डू एनीथिंग, बट यू रियली फील हैप्पी नो दैट पीपल who lose 3 years, but there is no looking back. Now she is again, she's made her life. Maybe she is married and have children, and she is doing well now. So it doesn't stop at that. It keeps on getting you into more and more problems. Then आप चोरी करना शुरू कर देंगे, झूठ बोलना शुरू कर देंगे. So many things will happen. But anyway, still people have won this very hopeless battle. There are people, yes, they have.
So as you mentioned earlier, so coming out of this drugs or anything is a grid with it. So how can we prevent the youth for falling for this drugs?
No, it's basically something which is very mental, this thing. What happens is, suppose I am close to my friend, okay, so he is smoking. So usually I will not like to say no to him, okay. So if you are going around with friends and 4 out of 5 they are smoking, so then usually they'll say, okay, you don't smoke the entire cigarette, okay, you have one puff. Okay, some things are really wrong because it doesn't help your health or it doesn't help your this thing. So one should be able to say no. Why not? अब आपको कुछ भी बोलेगा कि सपोज नाउ यू आर इनटू बॉडी बिल्डिंग, तो आपको बोलेगा कि ये पूरी सब्जी खाओ फुल ऑफ ऑयल एंड दिस थिंग, योर बॉडी यू विल नॉट लाइक टू डू दैट. तो सेम वे यू शुड बी एबल टू से नो. बस सिंपल बात है यार, यू डू समथिंग, नथिंग इन दिस वर्ल्ड कम्स फ्री. कुछ भी चीज मुफ्त नहीं है इस दुनिया में. कुछ भी चीज, कोई भी चीज मुफ्त नहीं है. कुछ भी चीज मुफ्त नहीं है. यू अंडरस्टैंड दिस. इफ यू डू ड्रग्स एंड योर न्यूरोट्रांसमीटर्स डोपामिन इज प्रोड्यूस्ड इन योर ब्रेन, वो मुफ्त नहीं है. वो आपको एडिक्ट बना के जाएगा. जो आप मजा ले रहा है, वॉट एवर दैट टेम्पररी मजा और टेम्पररी हाई यू हैव, you will have to pay that price by becoming the slave. आप ये बात जानिए, प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड दिस. आई एम अ फ्री मैन एंड इफ आई टेक, हम गांजा सिगरेट पीने का आदत हो गया, आई बिकम द स्लेव ऑफ अ गांजा सिगरेट. हाउ बैड कैन इट गेट? इससे भी बुरा कुछ हो सकता है कि एक पान की दुकान में जो सिगरेट मिल रहा है उसका मैं नौकर हो गया, उसका मैं स्लेव बन गया. कैन समथिंग बी मोर वर्स देन दिस? कैन समथिंग बी? आप समझिए उसको कि मैं एक सिगरेट पीने के लिए मरूंगा. यू प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड दिस. आप नहीं, ये काम नहीं कर सकते. ये काम करना अच्छा नहीं है. आप you want to become a slave, become a slave. That every day you run 3 kilometers, 5 kilometers. That is cool. You go and join your college basketball team. That is cool. आप सिगरेट पी रहे हैं, शराब पी रहे हैं, ये क्या cool है? It's absolutely foolish. क्यों आप नहीं बात ये समझते? अब दिन भर ये गेम्स खेल रहा है, उससे भी ब्रेन में डोपामिन प्रोड्यूस होती है. डू एवरीथिंग इन लिमिट, देन यू एंजॉय लाइफ. एंड किसी का भी स्लेव नहीं बनना. इफ यू आर लिमिटलेस मीन्स यू आर स्लेव ऑफ नोबडी. आप किसी भी चीज का स्लेव नहीं है. ना आप चाय का, ना कॉफी का, ना बिरयानी का, किसी भी चीज का स्लेव नहीं है. जब कभी मन आया 2-3 महीने में, 1 महीने में एक बार खा पी लिया, कोल्ड ड्रिंक्स सब. डोंट बी अ स्लेव, बी अ फ्री मैन. जंगल में जानवर घूमते हैं ना, कोई कुछ को पूछ पीना है, उसको खाना मिल गया खा लिया, नहीं खाना मिला तो घूम रहा अपना. वैसा ही आदमी रहना. डोंट बी अ स्लेव ऑफ एनीथिंग कि मुझे ये चाहिए, मुझे बिरयानी चाहिए, मुझे केक चाहिए. कुछ भी नहीं, मिल गया खा लिया, नहीं खाया तो चले अपना काम करें. So that is the main thing. Limitless means, limit is you are not wanting anything. ये है, this is what is limitless. Youth is एक, हम क्या रहे हैं, आप 5,000, 7,000, 10,000 होंगे. We don't need 10,000 people to control drug. One from you can help us in this effort. एक आदमी आप में से. हम ये नहीं कह रहे कि स्वर्ण हो, ये हो, संकल्प हो, संचेत हो, कुछ भी इतना जरूरत नहीं है. एक आदमी अगर वो ठान ले कि मैंने चेंज करना है, जैसे तुम्हारा परमवीर चक्र मिलता है कारगिल वॉर में, एक आदमी ने, दे हैव टर्न दी, आई डोंट नो, द एंटायर बैटल. ओके, so my purpose of coming here is maybe one of you I will be able to motivate into helping us this fight against drug. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Thank you. For the temporary happiness, they are causing the permanent damage for their own selves. Thank you for telling us the facts and letting us know about it. Sir, as you mentioned, the youth is fooling themselves, thinking that the drug is cool. On this context, we have something. So, now we shall share some myths and facts about the drugs. I'll say some misconceptions of the drugs, and you have to dispel the myths effectively by letting us know and learn the facts. Can we start, sir?
Yeah.
Yeah. The myth is that drugs relieve stress. They help deal with problems.
No, that's actually not true, because what I told you is the long effects of drug is that it will make you a slave, and it will make you very stressful. So it's a misconception that drugs will relieve stress. How do you relieve stress? Maybe you meditate, or maybe you run, or you play games, or you spend some time with your parents and your friends, and go around, see a movie. That is what is causing what should make you less stressful rather than drugs. Drugs means stress, means I have got some drug, I want to get some more for tomorrow, I don't have. So that will add to your stress, not relieve stress. So it's really very wrong to say that it will relieve your stress, it will cause more stress.
Yes, sir. You can stop using drugs anytime.
It is absolutely not true. I told you the 3 bad effects of drugs. Number 1 is it increases tolerance. Today you are taking 1 tablet, tomorrow you are going to take 2. And it's not going to stop at 2, then you have to start taking 3 tablets. So the intolerance increases, dependence increases, addiction increases. If these 3 things increase, you will not be able to leave it. You please be this thing, once you get hooked, there is a word, you get hooked to drugs. You will be like a fish in water, there is a hook inside her or its mouth. You cannot come out of it. It is very difficult to come out of drugs. But only people with grit, they will be able to do it.
Yes.
Next.
You have to use drugs for a long time before they can really hurt you.
Oh, there is something different, you know. What happens is cocaine is a naturally occurring drug. Okay. Then the scientists or the pharmacists have made synthetic versions of cocaine. You have amphetamines, you have methamphetamines, you have MDMA. So then if you take MDMA 2-3 times, then you are hooked, then you cannot leave it. Same way for opium, opioids, maybe heroin, morphine, codeine, like these kind of drugs, if you take for 7 days, then you become hooked onto this. Ganja, LSD, these things, maybe 6-7 days if you take regularly, 6-7 days you smoking a cigarette or taking a LSD block, then you are hooked. फिर आप नहीं छूट के जा सकता. ऐसा रहेगा कि आपको वो ड्रग ने बंदी बना लिया. You please understand. You will become a slave. आपके हाथ में हथकड़ी डाल के वो सिगरेट जो आपकी जेब में है आपको लेके घूमेगा. Please understand this. वो जो भी ये ड्रग है 10 दिन मैक्सिमम किया. कुछ ड्रग तो 1-2 बार लेने से ही यू बिकम हुक्ड. That brain will start liking that feeling.
Teenagers are too young to become addicted.
You know what happens is this is the frontal cortex part of the brain is the last to develop. आप इसका scientific reason सुनिए कि जब तक 25 years एज में ये प्री फ्रंटल ये वाला जो रीजन है ना ये ब्रेन का, इट इज द लास्ट टू डेवलप. दिस रीजन टेल्स अस टू डू और नॉट टू डू अ थिंग. आप समझे 25 years की एज तक दिस पार्ट ऑफ द ब्रेन इज नॉट डेवलप्ड. सो वो चीज़ नहीं डेवलप हुई तो इसका मतलब क्या होता है कि टिल वी रीच द एज ऑफ 25 sometimes your brain will tell you don't do this thing, but that reasoning part of the brain is not developed, so बच्चे they will fall prey. You please understand you are not developed till 25 years of age and you will tend to do. ऐसे छोटा बच्चा होता है ना, आपका होगा कि कॉलोनी में 70, 80, 100 किलोमीटर की स्पीड में तेज स्कूटर भगाएगा नहीं, मोटरसाइकिल नहीं चलाएगा. बच्चे को आप स्कूटर का चाबी दे दो, वो फुल, उसको कुछ डर नहीं रहेगा, जस्ट वो चलाता रहेगा स्पीड में, कोई आ गया सामने कुछ भी नहीं सोचेगा. दिस इज वॉट इज हैपनिंग इन द यूथ. सो यूथ हैज़ टू प्रोटेक्ट इट सेल्फ. द पेरेंट्स हैव टू प्रोटेक्ट देम. द मैनेजमेंट ऑफ कॉलेजेस हैव टू प्रोटेक्ट देम. बच्चों को उनका ब्रेन इतना डेवलप नहीं है कि वो नो कह पाए. So this is one thing that everybody of us has to be careful.
Yes. Snuff and chewing tobacco are safe because there's no smoke.
Tobacco, how do you know your lungs, they are pink in color. आपका जैसे जो बंदा who is not a smoker, they are really pink and very resplendent ऐसा है. अब तुम सिगरेट पिएगा ना तो उसके अंदर धुआं बैठता रहेगा, और वो पिंक जो कलर है इट विल बिकम ब्राउन. आप एक फ्लाइट ऑफ स्टेयरकेस चढ़ जाता है, आपको कोई सांस नहीं चढ़ता. अब सिगरेट पिएंगे, वही एक फ्लाइट ऑफ स्टेयरकेस चढ़ेंगे, यू विल स्टार्ट पैंटिंग. कैसे? हाउ कैन इट बी गुड? एक अच्छा साफ, यू हैव अ वेरी क्लीन फ्लोर और क्लीन दिस थिंग हाउस और क्लीन कॉपी, उसके ऊपर आप ऐसा छींटे गंदे ब्राउन कलर के छींटे डालते रहेंगे. हाउ कैन इट बी गुड? इट विल बी वेरी बैड फॉर योर हेल्थ, बैड फॉर योर आई डोंट नो बिहेवियर, और इट्स देयर इज नथिंग गुड अबाउट स्मोकिंग. अबे एक मेरा बात बताओ यार, कोई ये इसमें कारगिल में लड़ रहा है या सियाचिन में लड़ रहा है, कोई सिगरेट पीने वाला वहाँ तक चढ़ के कुछ जा सकता है? कैन ही बी अ हीरो?
नो.
कैन ही बी अ हीरो? ही कैन नॉट बी अ हीरो. अरे हीरो ये नहीं है, हीरो वो आदमी है यार जो एक मैराथन भागे, हाफ मैराथन भागे, फायरमैन लिफ्ट करके 200, 300, 400 मीटर भागे, 100 पुशअप लगाए, 50 चिनअप लगाए, वो है हीरो. सिगरेट पीने वाला क्या हीरो है भाई? ही नॉट अ हीरो, ही जीरो. वो सब कहने की बात है. दे कांट डू अ थिंग. जो सिगरेट पी रहा है, शराब पी रहा है, कुछ भी नहीं कर सकता जिंदगी में.
Yes, sir. Thank you for letting us know the facts. Sir, as National Cadet Corps is the largest uniformed youth organization in the country, so how NCC cadets can contribute themselves or actively take part in this anti-drug awareness campaign?
Okay, there's a saying in English, more the merrier. Okay, if we are the police only is fighting that battle against drug, and if your uniformed force NCC, if they join, definitely more will be merrier. So we will definitely be able to make an impact in the society. So I am happy that I was called to do this interview. So maybe that a war against drugs, maybe that message will spread more in the society. So I'm really thankful to NCC, the young cadets who have made this possible. So whatever small films we make about anti-drug campaign, so I will be forwarding it to you. Maybe you can put it in your podcast and make those popular.
Sir.
And really spread this message. Drugs are not cool. What is cool is maybe running 5 kilometers, playing a good game of cricket, good game of basketball, enjoying with friends, enjoying the small things in life. That is more cool. So I'm happy if you can really make a big difference in this fight.
Thank you for sharing your valuable insights and time, sir. I'm confident that today's episode will significantly contribute to anti-drug awareness campaign. That's all for today's episode. For more such inspiring content, follow You Are Limitless, You Are Limitless. Thank you. Jai Hind.